How does Black Bolt sneeze or cough without causing destruction? Black Bolt is known for possessing a voice imbued with immense sonic power, capable of inflicting massive damage simply through speech. Consequently, he exercises great self-control to avoid uncontrolled coughing or sneezing. However, should he actually cough or sneeze, it would not trigger his powers. Black Bolt's sonic abilities are activated by the region of the brain that governs speech, whereas coughing and sneezing are not actions associated with speaking. Thus, even if he coughs or sneezes, his sonic energy is not unleashed. Strict self-control remains the key for Black Bolt to prevent unwanted incidents.